Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to measure AC volts. So I'm going to switch my tester and I'm going to change it from DC to AC. So if you take a closer look, it's on AC now. Before I even measure the volts, you should know where to place your leads inside the plug. So I'm going to show you that before I even measure the volts. Remember that this is the positive side of the plug and this is the negative side. So the red lead is the positive one, the black one is the negative. So I'm going to place both of them inside. So I'm getting a reading of 123 volts. So if you're getting a reading which is beyond 5 or more, that would be 125, or 115, that's okay, because AC volts fluctuate. So the reading is good. If you're getting beyond that, now we will have low voltage. It also depends on which country you're in. Some country the volt will be 110, others it would be 120. So it depends on the frequency. So you have 60 hertz and you have 50 hertz. For a 50 hertz you will have a 110 volt. For a 60 hertz you will have a 120 volt.